Hey guys, how are you? Andy Suku, founder and CEO of Y2K Credit Solutions, consumer credit expert. I have a great topic to talk to you guys about today. So, you see on social media, TikTok. That was funny actually. Um, TikTok, get it? Anyway, listen. You guys see this on all the social media platforms. Everyone is telling you, hey, buy a car, put it under your name, put it under your business name, put it under your business. That's the first thing they tell you. Buy a car, put it under your business name. Now, keep in mind, it's not that simple. Most banks, high-end cars, are asking you to PG the loan, even though it's under the business credit. It's not being reported on your personal credit, but if you go default, it will get reported on your personal credit. Here is something your gurus are not telling you. When you, and before I get into the whole video, this happened to 3 clients already. 2 last year, 1 2024. 2 in 2023, 1 in 2024. So it's important that I did a video about this because a lot of you guys are following these gurus' advice, putting a car under your business name and you don't have any income coming in, it's not a real business, whatever the case may be, or you're not able to turn a profit into business, and you have this car payment just because you want to live the lifestyle, flashing lights, right? So here's what happened. The client got the car in the business name and PG'd it. What these gurus are not telling you is that when you have an automobile, or even for your business, your insurance should be at the max coverage. For example, you can't have $10,000 insurance on your business. You need to have a 250 policy, 250,000, 250,000, 500,000. You need an umbrella policy. You need a $1 million policy. You need to have adequate insurance in the event that you get into an accident with this car and you hit someone, whether you're drinking and driving, DUI, reckless driving, whatever the case may be, and you're deemed at fault for this accident and you cause injuries, you need to make sure that your insurance policy can cover the claim, the injuries, and the lawsuit that's coming from the people that got injured because they are going to sue you. We know we live in a world these days where everyone is suing everybody for a quick buck. Hey, South Florida, I could hit your little Toyota Corolla. It might be a $200 fender bender, but that person's going to go after my insurance just because these attorneys are telling them, hey, let's sue for $10,000. We get our 33%. You get your little $6,000 and you move on. Point is, people are suing for any reason necessary, especially if they're not at fault. What do they have to do? Nothing. Sit home, go to therapy, get free therapy, collect insurance money, right? So the issue here is that you need to have adequate insurance. If you do not have adequate insurance, and these are the responsibility that comes with putting a car under your business, okay? And this is what they're not talking about. If that person sues you and then they sue the business and you don't have enough insurance to cover, they're coming after you personally and your assets. I have 3 clients that happened to. 2 last year, 1 this year. Recently, the one that happened this year. That's exactly what's coming to them. Their car insurance had the basic coverage, basic full coverage, 10,000, 10,000, whatever it was, or whatever the state requirement was that they had. They caused injuries to 2 people in the car that they hit. Those 2 people are claiming injuries and are suing the insurance company. Their medical bills are so big, the insurance company cannot cover all of it because of the minimum insurance policy that the person had on the car. The business has no revenue. But now, because the person was co-signing on that car and their name is on insurance, they're being sued personally now. So these are the things that you need to think about when you're going to go put a car in your business name. Do you have enough insurance? A lot of people don't do it because they can't afford the insurance policy. Business insurance is way more expensive than private insurance. You guys know that. I've said this in a video. I did a whole video about this in 2019 on our YouTube channel. Subscribe to that channel if you haven't done so by now. So, yeah, it may sound easy to go put a car in your business name. Yes, I want to drive around a G-Wagon or whatever it is that you want to drive. But make sure you have adequate insurance, not the $10,000, $20,000 life coverage. That's not going to save you in the event that you cause an accident. If you notice today, there's a lot of crazy drivers out there. A lot. So now you don't even want to drive. So that's food for thought. I was going to write it on the board, but I just want to talk to you guys about it. Think about that before putting a car in your business name. If you have any questions, comments, drop it below, and I'll get back to you. Have a good day.